So, ito ang lobby ng Square One Drive. Simple lang, pero maganda yung amenities nito dahil meron ditong basketball court. So, ayan.
Leave your shoes on. It's been rented before. The tenants left on the April 15th.
So, this is the den. Malaki yung den niya at meron siyang closet dito sa den. So, check natin kung ano to. So, ito yung washer. Laundry is perfect. At meron tong
Why is it more expensive
Yeah.
than exchange? Let's see.
So, this will be your room. Maganda kasi meron siyang glass, ay window. Meron siyang mirror pala.
So for
So
one of
this
the
one,
exchange, the one that's
perfect yung
2200.
size. Ito
Bigger.
yung balcony. Is this still negotiable?
Yes, you might have to get parking with the city.
Like
That
outside
could
of
be
the
a monthly
building?
pass. 450, but it's 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms. You'll be able to be a little bit more comfortable. There's no locker going for 2450. And all 3 of these are very new. Okay, so we have time. Let's go take a look. But I have to.
Let's
I have to
check
ask
this.
security where it is.
Ref.
Brand new.
So, may seal, ano na siya, may curtain. I like the curtain. Actually, I like the den. It's bigger than the Fairview Road,
Yes.
right?
Laundry.
So, amenities naman. Check natin. Maganda yung unit, guys. Maganda siya. Sakto, medyo maliit lang, pero perfect. So, this is a toddler's room. So, talaga maganda dito kapag may kids. So, ito yung basketball court na hinahanap namin.
In London.
So, yung basketball court yung nagdala, guys. Napakaganda. Hindi mo na kailangan magbayad sa labas dahil maganda siya.
I mean, I can't guarantee that they will say yes, but we can always talk.
So, ito yung fitness. Maganda. So, ito guys yung building ng 395 Square One Drive. Actually, perfect na siya sa amin. So, mas maganda to kasi nga mas brighter siya. Pero hindi, guys. So, 2450 to guys. Kaso, hindi kasama yung parking. So, check natin yung balcony. At least may bubong yung balcony. So, okay na din. If you can negotiate this. So, this one has 2 bathrooms.
Yeah.
Bathrooms and all the units, and that's usually where the value is. You do want to keep in mind though, higher
Naku po guys, parang ito na yata yung final natin. So, maganda dito ay yung washing machine na gusto ko. Yan. Tapos, meron pa siyang cabinet dito. Lagayan ng jackets. So, yan. Ganito siya kaganda. Wala nga lang siyang countertop. There's a walk-in closet here. This is a master's bedroom.
right? And a lot of times you have to think from the psychology of the landlord too, right? They're gonna think, well, it just came on the market, so many people came to look at it. Have window blinds. So even if you want to take possession on May the 8th, they still might have to come in and install the blinds for you.
Yeah.
There is no microwave here. This is also okay. The floor has darker. Ganda yung washing machine. We can still negotiate this. It's a hidden left. we don't have a microwave here.
So the
And
internet also included here.
good thing here is that they have a high-speed internet. So this is the den. Okay na daw yung anak ko dito sa den. So ito yung master bedroom. Maganda na. Ito ay 2,200 daw to guys. Ito na yung mura. Miguel, you like here? It's 2,200. But problem is no parking. Maghahanap pa kami ng parking.
Something to consider. I'm not saying that it is slow. but
Malaki
it
talaga
can be.
tong
That's what our
unit.
experience is.
Malaki siya.
But in her case, he can.
So, you know, you may
In my
want to-
case, I always
even
did
for
a high.
security reasons, you might want
I
to
always in the meeting. I'm always on the Teams meeting. The internet should be stable.
Right.
Needs to be stable.
Accept it, there's nothing you can do, like, you have to take the.
Because of the price.
There's a chance you may have to come back and look at.
So, ito yung den. But it's a darker floor. So, malaki yung den niya at maganda dito ay meron siya. There's no lights here. May closet. Miguel, this will be your room. I prefer this now. Because there's a bigger room and it has a door.
So there's no, keep in mind, it's tied to one of the receptacles, so it'll be a lamp light.
Oh, no.
So, ito yung magandang laundry nila. Ang maganda dito ay yung ano niya. So, wala lang siyang microwave. So, may door kasi to, kaya gusto ko itong ano niya, den room. May glass door. So, ganito kalaki ang kanya. So, problem ko dito guys is yung parking ay wala.
Something there, but without it, you know, like you have to be prepared. Just
A lighter room. Ay, ito na sana talaga gusto ko eh. Kaso nga walang parking nakasama.
Hi, good morning, Nick. This is Diana with the Espinosa team. Just calling to inquire about your 4015, the exchange, unit 4711. I just wanted to check in. Sorry guys, I gotta bring the keys back.
Maganda. Ito yung 2350. So, may basketball court, half court. This is a one bedroom. So, this is 2,700. Mas mahal siya, guys. Mas gusto ko yung kanina. Kasi ang view niya ay lake. Dark yung sahig.
I covered the door from the parking. You deal with the parking. With the parking? Yes. For parking, you gotta deal with it. So I'm gonna.
Do you have an idea how much the utilities?
Yeah, do you have any idea how much with the hydro?
Microwave, no microwave.
No microwave.
No microwave.
So that's it.
The washer.
Washing. Dishwasher is supposed to be.
So, maganda dito is wala siyang no obstructive
Every moment,
view.
yes, sure.
At ito na yung kitchen niya. Maganda yung layout niya. Magkahiwala yung hindi
I
siya.
was planning to drop. It's gonna be for the first month, and
So,
only
ito
that's
yung
been
view.
secure.
Kita natin
Which is
yung
the
CN
last.
Tower from here. At ito yung wala siyang balcony. So, ganito siya kalaki, guys. So, ito. Some stuff.
I didn't know it was you coming.
That was my key.
He's okay. He's currently
This one is a corner unit. 7, right? How much is this?
2,650.
2016.
See the washer.
Maganda daw dahil ano siya, corner.
Come on.
Oh god, it's about I think $50, $30 whatever.
I gonna miss them. Best.
Oh, you need too nice. You
So ito yung basketball court na kailangan talaga ng anak mo. Ganda oh. Full court. So ayan, may mga events. So maganda itong building na to. At nagustuhan ko sana yung hall. Kaso 2,650 siya. Medyo pricey. So raming time. Ulit. Oh, there's a...
There's
Yeah,
a
I
space.
like this. I like
See, there is a
this.
space if you see a little more.
This one is negotiable.
I'm giving you 4,400 is the price, and I have 3 more people.
Okay.
No construction.
Yeah.
Extra storage.
And my office is in Robertsburg Parkway.
I like the view.
Yeah, beautiful. All Mississauga you can see.
So, ayan.
Ganda mo siya.
Maganda. So, this is the square mall. Ano ba yun? Oh my God, natatakot ako. Are we the first renter?
It's brand new.
How old is this building?
It's a new building.
Like a year
Less than
old?
6 months.
He said it.
Got now from builder. It's because this is a lower penthouse.
Ah.
So yeah. And there are a lot of people I can.
So, ito yung amenities na bukod sa basketball court, may rock wall climbing. So, the gym at basketball court, full court siya. So, ito na talaga yung final choice natin.
Okay na.
Okay na. Floor. So, ito yung mga activities, no? Kung dito tayo titira sa area.
If anything, you can always come back after.